If you're like me, you're online the majority of the day, so bookmarking and saving pages is essential. Yet I lose so many.
As a travel journalist, I'm always needing to save online information that I stumble upon.
Researching for a tech company requires bookmarking pages. These pages oftentimes get removed, so I needed something that would give me the ability to save and store any web page. That's WebSatchel.
WebSatchel works wonders. It stores copies of web pages in an intuitive, searchable library for future use, and organizes stored pages using tags and collections.
WebSatchel can highlight important sections of a page that you can reference in the future.
WebSatchel allows you to quickly find your pages using their search engine. You'll be able to search through your saved pages to find only relevant information based on your search.
You can access your WebSatchel portal anytime from any device. Now that's accessibility.
Don't lose any more precious time or pages and download WebSatchel today.